Tired of your Airtable data feeling overwhelming and uninspired? You know when it's all just rows and columns and you're struggling to really see what's going on or showcase those awesome visuals? Well, get ready. Discover how to transform any table into a stunning, intuitive visual gallery, making your information instantly digestible and engaging for everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to dive deep. We'll activate, personalize, and customize your Airtable gallery view step by step. By the end, you'll learn to effortlessly interact with your new visually stunning data cards, making your data not just useful, but beautiful. All right, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to airtable.com in your web browser. Just open up a new tab and type that in. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your Airtable account. If you're already logged in, even better, you'll skip right past this step. Now navigate to the specific base and table where your data lives. This is the information we're going to transform into that beautiful gallery view. All right, once you're in your table, look over on the left-hand side near your existing views. You'll see either a button that says Add View or a simple plus icon. Go ahead and give that a click. A menu will pop up with different view options. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Gallery from that list. This is the magic button that kicks off our visual transformation. Now give your new gallery view a clear and descriptive name. Something like Project Showcase or Product Catalog works great. Whatever helps you remember what this view is all about. Once you've named it, simply click the Create button. And just like that, Airtable will generate your brand new gallery view. You'll immediately see your records displayed as cards. Sometimes Airtable does a pretty good job guessing which field to use as the card's main preview image or text. But if it's not quite right, or if you want a specific image or a key piece of information to stand out, head to the View settings. There, you can choose exactly which field should be the star of your card preview. This is where our comprehensive walkthrough really helps. Getting these initial settings right sets you up for success. And there it is. Instead of a spreadsheet, you now have a beautiful grid of visual cards, each one representing a record in your table. See how much easier it is to grasp the information at a glance? Now for the fun part, making these cards truly yours. Go back to those view settings, usually found as a gear icon or customize cards option. This is where you have a lot of control. You can adjust the size of the cards, choose which additional fields appear on each card, maybe a status, a price, or a date. You can also reorder them, hide unnecessary fields, and make sure your images are displayed exactly how you want them to be. Don't be afraid to experiment. It's all about finding what works best for your specific data and how you need to present it. Take your time here, play around with the options, and really dial in the look and feel that makes your data shine. Finally, here's how you interact with your new visual data. You can click on any individual card in your gallery. This will open up that record's full details just like you'd see it in an expanded record view. And the best part? You can edit any of those fields right there. It's super convenient for quick updates or diving deeper into a specific item without leaving your visually appealing gallery. And there you have it. From overwhelming text to beautifully organized, visually intuitive cards. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you confidently implement and customize your own Airtable gallery views. Now go on, make your data pop. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Airtable tips.